How to send a Microsoft Word file in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send Microsoft Word file in Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Microsoft Word and create a file. Now you can do whatever you want in this file, write, create a report or stuff like that, and then at the end save it. After you do save it, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to that file location. So head over to that file location, and after you're on that file location, open this chat box on and then just drag the Microsoft Word file and drop it. After you do that, you can simply let it load and then send it. And that is how you can send Microsoft Word file in your Messenger app. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.